Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming giants. In the left corner, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and in the right corner, the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor. Who will come out on top? Let's dive in and find out. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades come in at a wallet-friendly $24, making it a great option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor is a bit of a splurge, costing $129. Ouch, looks like the OneBlade has a clear advantage in the price department. The OneBlade boasts two blades that can last up to 8 months, based on 2 full shaves per week. That's some serious longevity. Meanwhile, the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor comes with a Li-ion battery that can provide up to 3 weeks of shaving. Impressive, it seems like both products are built to last, but the OneBlade's blade lifespan gives it a slight edge. The OneBlade is a true multitasker. It trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair, giving you the ultimate flexibility. Plus, it can be used dry or wet with foam, even in the shower. Talk about convenience. On the other hand, the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor comes with a precision trimmer attachment, perfect for those tricky areas. While both products offer versatility, the OneBlade's ability to handle any length of hair gives it the upper hand. Comfort is key when it comes to shaving, and both products aim to deliver. The OneBlade features glide coating and rounded tips that protect your skin, ensuring a comfortable shave. No more pesky razor burns. Likewise, the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor's 360-degree adaptation makes it glide smoothly even in tricky areas. It's like a dance partner for your face. In terms of comfort, it's a close call, but we'll give a slight advantage to the OneBlade for its skin-friendly design. The OneBlade powers through even the longest hair, making it a great choice for those with a luscious beard. Meanwhile, the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor's AutoSense technology adapts to beard density, ensuring a clean shave even for the most stubborn hairs. Both products excel in performance, but the OneBlade's ability to handle long hair gives it a slight edge. After a fierce battle, the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades emerges as our winner today. With its affordable price, durability, versatility, comfort, and outstanding performance, it's definitely a smart choice for all your grooming needs. But hey, the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor is no slouch either. It's a high-quality option for those who prefer a more premium experience. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for you. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more product showdowns. Until next time, stay sharp and buy smart.